Hi, in this video, we'll discuss about how can we download Tableau and what are the procedures to install it and about the latest version of Tableau. So to download the Tableau software, let's open this search engine like Google Chrome, and on in the URL tab, let's type this tableau.com. That is a website you have to search. You have to type here. When I click and hit enter, it will take me on the Tableau website page. Now, if I wanted to know like what is the latest release version of Tableau right now, we'll click on this product and click on this latest release. So right now that's a Tableau 2020.2. That is the new release version given by this Tableau team right now. Now, what is the procedure to download the software? So guys, like as per the Tableau policy, we have two ways to download that. The first one, like if I am a fresher, I am a new learner of Tableau, I don't want to buy this right now, then Tableau basically given you an opportunity to download this software free of cost for 14 days as a trial period. Okay, so how can we download that? Let's click on this try now. Here it will ask you about your business email address. Okay, so this one will be a 14 days trial. Now if you want to buy the full version, then you can click on this buy now option. So here you will get the price value for that is showing like US $70 user per month. Okay, if you go down, and it's up to you like what option you are going to choose and how many people's for how many peoples you are going to use this software as a license you need, then you can choose the number of license here, so on. So like price and everything details are giving here. You can go through that and read the terms and conditions of the organization, and then after you can buy this. So as of now, let's try to download this software as an the 14 days trial period. So here we have to type the email ID and then click on this download free trial. You can see that thanks for choosing a trial of desktop, a Tableau desktop option is coming. And here you can see the downloading has been started here now. So it's around 480 MB software. It will take, it can take 3 to 4 minutes. It's totally depend on the bandwidth of your internet connection. So let it download, then we'll start the procedure. How can we install this? So here that file has been downloaded here. Okay, now to run this software, to install this software, let's do double click on this. So this window will get appear. Let's agree with the terms and condition and license agreement, then click on this install. So why this message is coming? Just because like I have already installed this software in my system. So I just wanted to explain you like you have to click on that option. Then you have to just click on the next and next. After clicking out 2 times next, then the software will get installed. Then you can directly open this software and you can use them for 14 days. Like once your trial period will get completed, now then your Tableau is going to ask you for the payment procedure so that you can further use this software. So I hope you understand from which website tool page we can download this Tableau software and how can we install this. So we'll in the next video we'll discuss about the interface of Tableau software. Thank you.